Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe at your home. We have got so many holidays to protect ourselves from the COVID-19. So, as a student, we have to study. So, today we are going to learn degree of comparison. There are three kinds of degrees. Positive degree, it is used to express the similarity. Comparative degree, it is used to express less or more. Superlative degree, it is used to express the highest or the least. In short, positive degree is called PD, comparative degree is called CD, and superlative degree is called SD. In degree of comparison, adjective is more important parts of speech, which is a describing word. It is called a qualifying word also. It tells more information about a noun or pronoun. Every adjective has three forms. Rule number first, generally it is followed. In comparative degree and superlative degree, er and est is suffixed to the original adjective respectively. As example, tall, taller, tallest, rich, richer, richest, high, higher, highest, dark, darker, darkest. Rule number second is about such adjectives which are ending with e. There we have to suffix only r to the adjective in comparative degree and only st to the adjective in superlative degree. As example, fine, finer, finest, white, whiter, whitest, nice, nicer, nicest, wise, wiser, wisest. Rule number third is very interesting. It is about the structure of CVC from the end. It means if the last letter of the adjective is a consonant, second last is a vowel, and again the third last is a vowel. In such cases, we have to double the last letter, that is the consonant of the adjective, in comparative degree and superlative degree, and then suffix er and est to the adjective in cd and sd respectively. Example, big, bigger, biggest, fat, fatter, fattest, thin, thinner, thinnest, hot, hotter, hottest. Confirm. In rule number third, all the four examples, the last alphabet of the adjective is a consonant, second last is a vowel, and third last is again a consonant. Rule number 4 is about such adjectives which is ending with y and second last is a consonant. In such cases, we have to remove the last y in cd and sd and suffix ier in cd and iest in sd. Example, lazy. So in comparative it will be lazier, in superlative it is laziest. So the examples are happy, happier, happiest, easy, easier, easiest, busy, busier, busiest. Rule number 5 is about such adjectives. They are called longer adjectives. In short, one may say if the number of vowels in the given adjective are more than 2, we don't have to suffix er and est to the adjectives in cd and st. Instead of that, we have to use more before the adjective in cd and most before the adjective in sd. As example, famous, more famous, most famous, attractive, more attractive, most attractive, interesting, more interesting, most interesting, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable, horrible, more horrible, most horrible. Rule word is about the irregular adjectives as good, better, best, well, better, best, bad, worse, worst, ill, worse, worst, much, more, most, many, more, most, little, less, least. So why this rule number 6 is about called irregular adjectives? Because no particular criteria is followed, so we have to learn these properly.